Yeah. Check it out. Alright, look. Yo. I'm a gangster. I'm a thug. Give me some fucking drugs. I'm drunk all over the world. I love doing this rap shit. I did it. This shit is dope. I'm getting better than y'all that can't fucking rap. I'm trapped. Fuck y'all that can't rap and that are not trapped in this rap world. My rap shit is dope. I hope I never fail. I don't need to go to jail. I'm just getting in the mail. Huh? To get it? Get in the mail? Fuck that. Where are the bitches at? Dog. Where is the dog at? I'm writing this on flat paper, yo. Vapors are fuck. They are not fakers. They ain't no neighbors. They are bitches. Sometimes I can rap so I feel trapped. I'ma rap those bitches up. I'ma fuck you up, knock you the fuck out. That's what that's about. I find myself with no bank account. I ain't got a lot of money, I'm broke. I have to go downtown to get it. Shit. Fuck it. I'm done. Time to put a gun to my head. Peace out, bitch. Boom!